All right, guys, one at a time.
Don't ask me a dumb question you don't answer to.
Because I'm weird. I'm a strange individual.
I wanted to play. I'm sorry. Well, I'm not sorry.
I'm not getting nobody. I give you a Subway gift card.
I love my guys. I love my little dudes. They my little guys. I love them.
Well, definitely not shut up and dribble. I would definitely not do that.
Ain't no mind in my crutches, baby. Ain't no mind in my crutches.
No, there's no way he's playing in the first round. There's no way.
Hopefully I prove what Coach said wrong. I mean, the hope is still there.
And your goal is definitely to get on the court as soon as possible.
Sure.
I do know this. If you can play basketball and you get paid to play basketball, you play basketball.
Hard. Wow. He put him on the deck.
I was going to shoot it, but I was waiting to figure out what was going on. I was confused.
The main thing was that I completely outcoached Luke Walton.
His dad was talking, so I took him out early.
I'm going to have a beer. I'm going to yell at the refs all game. I may even boo LeBron a couple of times.
MJ had 10 assists that many times? Who gets that close to 50 and don't get it? You know what I'm saying? That's weak.
You say I'm like fine wine. I get better with age. That's what it says.
Tired of being charity.
I got to win.
He travels all the time.
Is he peaking? How does he compare to these?
Peaking? I think he got the highest plus minus in the season in NBA history. Peaking. That's just ridiculous to say, bro.
Speak English. Por favor, no entiendo. ¿Qué está hablando? Speak English. Yo hablo español, no inglés, lo siento.
I saw Draymond this summer, and I told him that I was going to kick his.
Next question.
What happened in the fourth?
The fourth is the fourth quarter. We still have 3 other quarters. Next question.
No. What's my answer? How do I approach it? What's my answer?
You play every game the same way.
You had, sorry, I forgot my question. I won't waste your time. It happens.
Damn.